This is the ponytail I got. It is called Sassy and Classy Ponytail, and it's meant to be a high ponytail. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can wear it as a low ponytail as well. But yes, this ponytail was only $15.99 at my local beauty supply store. I got it in the color 1B so it can match my real hair, and I like it because it comes just like the picture. It's a yaki texture, and I'm gonna show y'all. At the top, it comes with that little braided piece. So yeah, this is a cute, I think this is a cute and quick protective style, and it is a yaki texture, so you don't have to have your hair bone straight to wear this, and that's why I know this is going to be a good match for my hair, because I'm natural and I don't want to be putting a lot of heat on my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and show you guys the look.